Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to watch YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So here is my Galaxy Watch 6 and to see YouTube videos on this watch, first you need that your watch to be connected with your phone, or just go to the top bar and enable the Wi-Fi from here. And then let's go to the all apps, and here we have Google Play, and if you will search for YouTube here, let's type YouTube. Okay, here there is search. You will see that we have only YouTube Music here, but the original YouTube application isn't here. Okay. Now let's go back, and to see YouTube videos on this watch we have a way. Just go to the Samsung internet browser. Here there is, you have this app on your watch, and here we have YouTube. Just tap, wait for a few seconds, and here there are the YouTube videos, and to navigate just use the bezel. And if you want to see a video, just tap on it, wait for a few seconds. You can tap to skip the ads. And here is the video. So it is not so hard to see YouTube videos on your watch. And to go back, just tap on the back button, and you can navigate again to see the desired video. Now let's go back again, and I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.